Well, this is what more additional snow we had gotten, everybody. It's just like it's way up past my ankle. There's a lot of snow here. And you can see on the trash can there what didn't blow off. There's probably a good 6 inches there. The guinea sitting up on the seam right there. Probably not the greatest picture, but there he is. Milo, he can't hardly even get through that. Says my husband gets another week of snow days. He's gotten 2 weeks and a couple days off of snow days and cold weather. And there's the dogs and all this snow. I thought we'd go check everything out today. What you guys think? Brutus, Max. There's Mr. Hercules. You could see what prints we did make from the garage yesterday from finishing the milk stand. Still, it's up to my calves. And there's Mr. Hercules. For all that you are new, that is our one of our wild Mustangs. We picked him up on January 5th. He is my husband's horse. He came from the Bureau of Land Management, the BLM. He's a pretty little guy. He's not little, he's pushing about 15 hands or so. He's actually bigger than what they said that he was. There's Lena, our first doe. Everybody's digging in the snow for some leftover hay from yesterday. My fusion, for those that don't know, I get a fusion every 6 months, and they're 2 weeks apart for my rheumatoid arthritis. And I get that on the 2nd, and she's technically due on the 1st. I had one, I think it was Odessa that was due on the 2nd, but she had labor and her babies died. But that's Samson and Odessa, our old girl. Samson's a Nubian buck, but has a bummed knee still. There's Jack, our 15-year-old mini donkey, and these are our other bucks that we have as herd sires. And I'm still walking through a lot of snow here. The sun is shining, so that's nice. But I'm going to come up here and see my Mustang. Her name is Diamond, for those that are new. I went and got her on my 40th birthday, October 13th. So that was something that I've always wanted, was a wild Mustang. And then she's a Grulla, which is one of my favorite colors when it comes to horses. So that was something that was exciting also. So there she is. She's just a little thing, only 14 hands. But the sweetest little thing there could be on this earth. And that's her right there. So we got to get everybody fed. My husband's got to get stuff shoveled out. And I got to try to take it easy because I'm really hurting today. So with that being said, I'm going to get her grain. My husband will get her hay. He'll get hay for everybody else. And I'll check her over and make sure everything looks nice. That she ain't got no cuts or anything like that. Because you never know. There shouldn't be anything she could cut herself on. Because we try to make it so nobody gets hurt. But you can't always protect them from everything. So that being said, stay tuned to more cleaning up our homestead with the snowstorm. Okay, I got a tape measure. I'm going to measure on top of the dog's can there to give kind of an estimate of how much snow we got. Oh man, I could do that like that too. We can go like this. See right here. Well, that's not helping. I can't hold it. And just to give an estimate. Now I'm upside down. Oh, what's that say? Like 9 inches. It says right there. Let's see what this says up here. Hey, no, wait. I was gonna see. What's that say? Definitely 8 inches.
Yeah, we already had a little snow.
Yeah, but not on top of that. Where are you barking at? Oh, the cat? You think, my love? You think?
Excuse my language, but you know.
It's a lot to do. But you like doing things old-fashioned.
Yeah, I really do.
Because we could have it easy and just have a snowblower thingy. And you'd be out here maybe an hour.
When I'm taking an hour to plow, there's with some.
Well, plowing it, yeah, but I'm talking if you had a snowblower, it'd take you about an hour.
Mom's got one, but
Yeah.
look at the cats, so they like being able to get on the trail.
I know. When I was walking through there, Milo went and walked in there and then took a poop.
Oh, boy, you gotta get back.
So we definitely got what they said we were going to get. Why? You don't let him out.
With them chicken bones and shit I am.
Oh, yeah. That's right, because... Yeah. They're okay with their dog food, but not other stuff. I'll go down and check the chickens real quick. Walk through this. Again, he's still up there. Man, my hands are cold. I lost one of my gloves. When we brought, whoa, almost fell. That slippery, a little slippery there. When we brought our, what the heck am I talking about? Our milk stuff home, milking stand and whatnot. The lid flew off. What are you doing up there, Granny? The lid flew off of the can. So we had to go back with the Explorer. We went back with the Explorer to see if we could find the lid to retrace our whereabouts. And of course we didn't see it. We went the whole way and didn't see it. Of course it's dark and stuff. But then when we were coming back, we seen it almost right the road before the house. So it made it that far. Anyways, I got out and I had my gloves sitting on my lap. And then when I went to try to find them, of course, feels like, I was like, oh, that cracked. Thank you, ladies. I always say thank you to them. These brown eggs, they seem to crack easier than the lighter brown ones, which our brown eggs come from our black Australops. Hopefully I can get up this. Man, I'm sliding. The snow when it was falling was really wet. A wet, light snow. But that's the video for today, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.